Hello students, in Geography chapter 6 Human Resources, today I will teach you about population composition and we will do a comparative study of population pyramid of India, Japan and Kenya. We have seen that human resource is one of the most important resources. However, this does not mean that a densely populated country will be rich in human resources. In fact, population of a country has little to do with its economic development. Population composition refers to the structure of population. The composition helps us to know how many males or females are there in a country, which age group they belong to, how educated they are, what type of occupation they are employed in, what their income levels and health conditions are. To understand the role of people as a resource, we need to know about their qualities. People vary greatly in their age, sex, literacy level, health condition, occupation, and income level. Hence, we can say that people in an area or country are different from those of other areas or country. To understand population composition, it is important to know about population structure. Population structure is the description of a population according to characteristics such as age and sex. These data are often compared over time using population pyramids. A population pyramid is a horizontal bar graph that illustrates the distribution of different age groups in a population. It shows the number of males on the left and females on the right. The population pyramid is also known as age sex pyramid. The population pyramid shows the total population divided into various age groups, example 5 to 9 years, 10 to 14 years. The percentage of the total population subdivided into males and females in each of those groups. How many dependents are there in the country? There are two groups of dependents, young dependents and elderly dependents. Skilled, spirited, and hopeful young people endowed with a positive outlook are the future of any nation. We in India are fortunate to have such a resource. They must be educated and provided skills and opportunities to become able and productive. This is the population pyramid of Kenya. Note that the base of the pyramid is very wide. This indicates a very high birth rate. As you go up the pyramid, the width drops off very quickly. This means many people must be dying. In other words, very few reach old age. The population pyramid clearly indicates that there is a need to provide good medical care and hygiene to reduce the death rate. So, Kenya is a developing nation. The birth rate as well as death rate are high. So, the population pyramid is broad at the base and narrow at the top. This is because many children are born in Kenya, but due to lack of medical care and immunization awareness, many infants die. Similarly, there is very small percentage of elderly group because not enough medical facilities are available, so that death rate is quite high. This is a population pyramid of India. This population pyramid has a large base. This means that the birth rate is high. This pyramid is also wider and much taller, implying that many people are living to older ages. In India, birth rates are high, so the population pyramid is broader at the base due to availability of medical facilities and care Many infants survive to adulthood. So population pyramid is broader in the younger age group, that is relatively larger number of young people, which means a strong and expanding labor force. This is a population pyramid of Japan. This population pyramid has a very small base due to the very low birth rates. Since the top is not pointed, it means many people are living to older ages. Japan is a developed nation. The birth rate of this country is low. That is why the pyramid is narrow at the base. Life expectancy in Japan is the highest. Due to good medical care, large number of people are able to reach old age. Now we will study about causes of overpopulation, its effects and how we can control population. Causes of overpopulation. See the result of overpopulation. The main causes of overpopulation are increase in the birth rate, decline in the death rate, better medical facilities, more hands to overcome poverty, technological advancement in fertility treatment, immigration, and lack of family planning. There are many negative effects of overpopulation like environmental degradation, depletion of natural resources, increase in crime rates, increase in pollution, water and food conflict, excessive use of fossil fuels, malnutrition and starvation, and rise in unemployment, etc. Now, how can we stop a country to be overpopulated? And some solutions are improvement of family planning, raising awareness on the topic, education, birth regulation, etc. Now, students, it is time to do the exercises. Question number 1. Choose the correct option. Number A. The measurement of number of people living in an area is known as population density. Number B. Which one of these is sparsely populated? And the answer is Siberia. Number C. People who leave the country are known as number 1. Emigrants. The population pyramid is also known as, and the answer is age-sex pyramid. Number E. If the population pyramid is broad at the base and narrow at the top, what does it indicate? And the answer is high birth rates and high death rates. Number F. Which one of these show the correct order? If the countries are placed in the descending order of the population size, most populated country will come first. And the answer is China, India, US and Indonesia. What is the average population density of the world? And the answer is 35. The growth rate of most of the European countries is, and the answer is low. A population pyramid is and the answer is horizontal bar graph. Fill in the blanks. Dash refers to the pattern in which people live in the world. And the answer is population distribution. Number B. Dash is calculated by dividing the number of people by area. And the answer is population density. Number C. The Great Australian Desert is dash populated. And the answer is sparsely. D. Rapid growth in population is called, and the answer is population explosion. Number E. People who arrive in a country are known as immigrants. Match the column. Column A. Population pyramid. Column B. Age-sex pyramid. Alaska. Sparsely populated. Japan. High life expectancy. Natural growth rate. Difference between birth rate and death rate. Leaving country. Immigrants. Don'ts basin in Soviet Union. Rich in minerals. Vatican City. Densely populated. Question number 5. Put a tick mark if the statement is correct and wrong if incorrect. More than 90% of the world's population live in about 10% of the land surface. And the answer is right. Number B. The birth rate is the number of live babies born in a year for every 100 people in total population. And the answer is wrong. C. If the population increases, the growth rate decreases. And the answer is wrong. Number D. The natural growth rate of United Kingdom is high. And the answer is wrong. E. In a population pyramid, the number of males is shown on the left and females on the right. And the answer is right. F. If the birth rate of a country is high, the population pyramid will show a narrow base. And the answer is wrong. Number G. Rahul leaves India to study in Australia. He is an immigrant of India. And the answer is wrong. H. India has the highest life expectancy in the world. And the answer is wrong. Number J. Ruhr Basin in West Germany has mineral deposits and hence the place is densely populated. And the answer is right. Now students, look at this graph and answer the following question. What is this bar graph known as? And the answer is age-sex pyramid or population pyramid. Question number 2. Is it horizontal bar graph or vertical bar graph? And the answer is horizontal bar graph. Now picture 2. Which country is marked in red? And the answer is Alaska. Question number 2. Is this a densely populated area or sparsely populated area? And the answer is sparsely populated area. Now see picture number 3. Which fertile plains have been shaded in this picture? And the answer is Ganga Valley. Or you can say Ganga Brahmaputra Valley. Question number 2. Is this area densely or sparsely populated? And the answer is it is densely populated. Thank you students for watching the video.